Hey guy, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the location of save file in Telegram. There are two different apps. One is you download direct from the Telegram website, and the second one you download from Microsoft Store. So these two different apps is different if you download direct from Microsoft Store. So in this app you cannot change the location of the save folder file in Telegram. So I recommend you to use Telegram from the website of the Telegram by go to telegram.org. So you just find it for Windows. So now we go to the app, open the app, go to more, go to setting, go to advanced. So go to download path. There are three in here. One is Telegram folder and system. Go to download. This is the first one that the program choose for us when we just install it. So please go to the third one, custom folder, cleared only manually. Click on it. Find the folder you love. So I choose the Telegram folder here that I have created. Select the folder. Click saved.